Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Avelo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the settings button, and at the notifications section look for the allow app to receive push notifications button, and in order to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns purple the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.